Alright, what's up guys? I know I haven't posted a video in a while, but do got some updates for you guys real quick before we get into today's video. Update number one is we actually finished running most of the harness. The Holley FI harness for the 4.6. Can't really tell, but got everything ran in there. Update number two is we actually got our welder hooked up, which means, our air compressor hooked up, which means we could also now use the welder. So hopefully we'll be getting something worked out in the next couple weeks as far as that. But for today's video, I got some of these kick panels for OBS, 6.5s and some tweeters, kicker. I got these off Crutchfield. They're about $200, just in case anybody wants to run them. They literally just sit right here. So got those, and then I have developed an exhaust leak and the gasket's bad, so I had to order some new gaskets. And as far as the Civic goes, I decided on parting it out. It's just not really my thing, so if anybody's interested, go to Fully Built B18 C1 VTEC head. Got some cams, got the stock GSR cams down there, but yeah, everything's for sale. Everything I have for the Civic. I have a post on Facebook about it. Just look up Honda EG hatch if anybody needs any parts for that. But I'm gonna start drilling and cutting out those kick panels for the speakers to fit in. So let's get into today's video. Alright guys, I got the holes marked, circle marked, that way the magnet of the speaker sits down in there. And those are the holes to mount the speaker cover and the speaker in there. And then all I gotta do is the tweeter after this, but we'll get to cutting. Now we got that little hole, and we can use the body saw to basically just follow the line around. Got the body saw. So now, basically the only reason I drilled that hole is so that body saw blade fits in there, and I can basically just follow it all around. Alright, so obviously it's plastic, so it's kind of burning. But what I did, so I didn't have that on like around the final ring, but I just got really close with the body saw. And then now I'm just going to take a file and file out to the outer line. You can see there's still kind of a line there. So, alright, so got one side done. It's not screwed down, but everything's mounted. Cut the hole of the second one. I'm going to go ahead and do the second one, and then we'll go ahead and start throwing them in. Got them in. and mounted. Both sides are looking pretty good. Alright, so that was the last clip that you guys just saw. You guys know that I got the speakers all mounted up in the kick panels in the truck. But they're not wired up, so I can't show you guys how they sound or anything like that. I completely forgot that I needed to buy all the stuff to wire up the amp for the speakers. By the time I realized I didn't have it, it was already too late. The store was closed. So I'm gonna try to get that tomorrow. So I'll throw in a little snippet of how they sound and everything, and how I mounted the amp and the crossovers and all that good stuff in next week's video. But as I told you guys at the beginning of the video, I'm getting rid of the Civic. I know there's a couple people that like the Civic, but it's just not me. I'm just not into Civics, I guess. I like lowered trucks and V8s and stuff, so we're gonna try to get something cool. Daily driver, but still cool. So there's a couple things I'm looking at currently. It'll probably be a couple months till I do get one, but there will be another car that we'll be doing stuff to on the channel. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys next week.